Is the FujiFilm X-H1 a viable vlogging camera? Let's find out. Now I'm back with another series. I want to know if the X-H1 is a viable vlogging camera. Right off the bat, it does not have a flip out screen, which is a major barrier. After making last week's video about vlogging with the FujiFilm X-H1, I decided to start this series on vlogging with the X-H1 and not give up on it so fast. Before we get into the details of this series will be solely focused on solo operators. So either you're a vlogger or a content creator who is often in front of the lens. That could be for tutorials, Skillshare courses, online courses, or if you're making your own business videos or just find yourself constantly in front of the lens. Now, if you're someone that falls into these categories and are looking for a powerful video camera, then this series is for you, and for the curious person looking to get a new camera. If you're also looking for royalty-free music, you can check out Epidemic Sound. I use Epidemic Sound for all the music and sound design in my videos and clients' projects. I've been using Epidemic Sound for 8 months and I do recommend it. You can use the link in the description to get a 30-day free trial. Check it out and let me know what you think. Now in this series, I'll be testing out different settings on the FujiFilm X-H1 to get the best results I can get out of this camera. I'll mostly be focused on the autofocus settings and what works best based on the lens that I'm using. Now I know the X-H1 can be the ultimate A-roll vlogging camera. I just need to find the right camera settings, camera lens combo, and get over the fact that there is no flip out screen. I'll be using the Rokinon 12mm f2 for the first couple of videos and go on from there. And that's the same lens that gave me this footage right here. Afterwards, I was able to manipulate the settings and get an image that looked much better. I've been told Viltrox makes some good lenses for the X mount, which I'll be throwing in the mix of this series to see how well they work for vlogging and A-roll shots. I'll be posting new videos of this series every Monday, and you can find reviews every Friday. You can check out this video right here on whether you should buy the FujiFilm X-H1. That is it for today. Thanks for joining me. Stay awesome.